morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to your daily update on Luna Classic. A little bit more of a bullish update again after yesterday was, well, not that great. And just in general, there are some things we need to talk about regarding Luna Classic. So that's what we'll do in this video. So let's get right into it. First of all, I mean, Luna Classic over the last 24 hours has been quite bullish. We got some bullish fundamentals. And some bullish news in the markets with the dollar strength index dropping, which was obviously caused by the interest rate decision yesterday evening. So that's bullish. We've seen some more volume, not even more volume for Luna Classic, which is pretty weird, but we have been a little bit bullish, not compared to the market, because Luna Classic, I mean, it's not that strong. I actually expected that if the outcome of the interest rate was bullish, which it was not, but it definitely was not bearish either. I thought we would be able to get up to 18,000, this level right here, but we already knew that Luna Classic is not that correlated and not that sensitive to news like the interest rate compared to other cryptos. But nonetheless, I did expect some more bullish momentum, because now the only thing we did, which was expected, but still it's not as much as I would have expected with this news and with the bullish momentum coming from the rest of the market. We just broke above this level at 17,000 again, and right now we're just really forming some sort of a consolidation, which is pretty weird, because as I said, well, first of all, we got some very bullish fundamentals yesterday. Apart from that, there's way more activity in the governance as well, in the governance section of Luna Classic right now. There are some proposals about the repegging of USDC and burn 50% of the staking rewards. These will probably not get anywhere, but for example, the Signal proposal about the repeg proposal of Ziggy is doing well, and we actually reached the quorum. So well, that has passed, it seems like. So that's pretty interesting, right? And that's going to be interesting what happens with that. I expect some bullish momentum from this. But then again, we're not really getting a lot of bullish momentum from Luna Classic. We can take a quick look at how the burn tax is doing. I think the burn tax barely has any effect left on Luna Classic, and it's just been stable, as it has been for the last 2-3 months. So yeah, Luna Classic is technically just not doing that well. I mean, what you could see earlier is that we were actually able to start some sort of an uptrend with all of these higher lows, and we're still technically in that, but you can also see that we also were making higher highs here, and we have really stopped doing that ever since the top we made the 14th of January. Since then, we've practically been falling a lot as well, because you can what you can see is that we're making lower highs right here. So we're kind of being squeezed, but there's not enough volume really to break out. So what do we get then? You get some sort of a consolidation. And I think that's what's happening right now. You can see that these EMAs, so all of those colored lines, really are in the middle of the price. And just in general, I think we're getting into some sort of a consolidation between 18,000 at the bottom and 16,000 here, or 18,000 at the top and 16,000 at the bottom. And I think this is it for a while for Luna Classic. I think we'll just consolidate between these two levels in the next period of time. And there are two ways in which we can actually break out of this. And the first way is if Bitcoin and if the market really gets more bullish, because even though we know that Luna Classic is not that correlated to the market, we do know that the last couple of times when we had a lot of bullish momentum in the markets, Luna Classic also reacted to that, right? So if Bitcoin is actually able to get up to 25,000, I expect Luna Classic to break above 18,000 as well, and to get at least up to 18,500. And just technically, I also expect us to now get up to 18,000. So if we get there technically and Bitcoin gets to 25,000, I do think we can get a breakout. And the other thing is if there's really more progress on the USDC Luna Classic repeg proposal. The proposal that happened right now was a Signal proposal, so it's kind of like a signal like, hey, the community wants to do something with this, but nothing is really being done on it yet. So if there's really development on that, I expect that to be bullish as well. And then we can also get a bullish breakout. But in the meanwhile, I think we'll just stay in this consolidation or in this range consolidating. So yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, enjoy your day. Take care. And bye.